What up? What up, BK? Yo, yo, yo. What up, Sean? Good afternoon, Donna. What up, Rushan? Oh, man. I'm getting out even. I'm getting out even. Yo, what up, Dean? Duck race. Duck race. Dude. I'm just getting ready for August. I'm at the point I'm just getting ready for August. You know what I'm saying? What up, Brandy? Yo, CT, Ian, what up? Damn, you blew the account? What up, Huron? Yo, imagine they just pin it here the rest of the day. Dude, that would be ridiculous, Ray. Just all day, just pin it right here. Boom. Oh, glad I got out even. Yeah, they sent it to me right away. Huron. They sent it to me. Dude, they pay the fastest. I got it like that day. What up, bum? I got it like a minute later. Dude, Tory trade style. Nutsack. I use NinjaTrader. I have a personal NinjaTrader account. Yeah, I would go there. I also like NinjaTrader. I don't know. Rise works for me. I haven't had any issues with Rise. Yo, what up, TJ? I think Tori's living by me now. I don't get it though. She makes like 3 trades a year, but tells you to join prop firms. I don't understand because you can't trade her style on prop firms. So I don't understand. Look at this, right to this point again. Look. Make it or break it. Yo, what do you guys think? What do you think? I think we eventually flush it. What do you think? You got one more, Sean? Flush incoming? I think you got like one more little bounce. There's a perfect. That's why I drew it out for you guys, Waldo. I drew it out right there. I'm just seeing what I could. I'm just kind of playing around with it. Trying to get some of these over. I'm trying to just get it over or done. Like this one is smoked. Come on. Just fucking dump. Dump it! Dump it! Let's get paid!
Order rejected.
Come on. Yo, I get them also, TJ. Ian, I suggest if you're getting evals, if you trade Apex, you get them today before tomorrow because they have 90% off today and it goes away tonight. So I'm just saying, if you trade Apex, don't wait. Apex expires today at midnight. How do I manage to stream and trade along reading comments? It is super tough. I don't know. I just get used to it, I guess. Get used to hanging out. Just fucking break it. What up, Alex? That evals. How much? Yo, I had an awful July. I think it was like $3,500 I requested this month. I had an awful July. Actually, I spent a lot of July forward testing. I blew a lot of accounts forward testing. I had a lot of issues with copy traders not working correctly, but like it was also human error. I didn't realize the errors with copy trading. So I blew a lot of accounts in July on just working the bugs out of a lot of things that I want to do going forward. I would assume you're talking about this. If you're talking about this, it ends July 31st at midnight. 50% off. Yeah, I probably had one of my worst months in a very long time recently. Yeah, I'd probably say it's probably one of my worst months in a while. It actually started off really bad. So I trade like a lot of stocks and options, and
order filled.
I started off down like $4,000 real quick. I had to make that money back. Yeah, this month was rough, man. This was a rough month in general. If I had to guess and I took like my prop firm payouts and what I spent on prop firms, I'm probably about break even. You know, I bought a lot of $16 accounts, which was nice. I don't know if I spent that much. Activation fees hurt me. I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, there's probably I probably broke even this month. I haven't had a month this bad. I will say I lost a lot of accounts though. I was testing out NinjaTrader stuff, and then I started using TradeSync to copy trade over, and that ran into some issues that I had to fix. I probably blew between NinjaTrader evals. I probably blew 15 evals and like 3 funded accounts with NinjaTrader. And then I knew I got the copy trader fucking messed me up a bunch. I was doing something stupid. You don't really need it, Siddharth. Replicanto on NinjaTrader is so much better and cheaper. Dude, Replicanto is so much better. Replicanto is one time fee. The other one is like $50 a month. It's way more expensive. The only thing I'm doing today is I'm going to get some Apex accounts. It only works to the downside, Anderson. I hit it the other day. Not yesterday. It didn't trigger yesterday. Maybe it was on Friday it triggered. I took it. Yeah, TJ, I only take advantage of the $16 accounts at Apex. Once they go up to like 33 or 37, whatever they are, like I tell everybody, always get accounts when you have deals. Like when you're running deals, if they're not running a deal, I usually don't do it. I like Tradeify. There's no lag on Tradeify. Yeah, Maria. Well, no, they upped it. It's $18.70. I have accounts that rebill at $16 from old promotions. Yeah, Maria. Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I look at it cost of funding, the overall cost of funding. If when they're $16, say or say they're $18, right? Say you pass 1 in every 4, right? You have a funded account for $214.80. So 1 in 4 Apex accounts gives you a funded account for $214. If you pass 1 in 3, you have a funded account for under $200. I mean, this is one big bear flag. I mean, this is what we got going on here. Now, just because it's a bear flag does not mean you can't go up and invalidate it. It just means it's a bear flag. Nah, 40 something, mid 40s of payouts. The rest in stock and options, Alex. I make more money in stock and options than in everything else. I've been doing it for a while. We talk about it in the Discord. If you want to go in there, I'll show you it. It's free. So inside the Discord, there's a link to stock and options on the side. Well, you can just go. The thing's being such a pain in the ass, but you can join. If you trade stock and options, feel free to jump in. I post my portfolio. I post everything I'm in. You name it, I'm in it. It's there. You can ask questions. You can see what I'm in, how much I'm in, the whole shebang. Yeah, it's just trading, Alex. What's the issue with Quant Tower that you have? And maybe I can help you out. What are you having issues with? I'll help you with Quant Tower right now. I have it up. I have a video somewhere. That's E-Trade. That's what E-Trade looks like, Alex. I show it all. Look, here, I'll show you right now. It's what I'm holding. I am obviously down today, but I've been on a pretty good run. I'm still up this month. Dell, it's super easy, man. Huron is in gold short with a small stop loss. So if you're going to use it, I don't care about like the affiliate commission, but I will tell you, you actually save 20% with the code. I think it's Replicanto, and the code is COVE20, and it'll save 20%. You can't trade with E-Trade, Alex? They don't have E-Trade Canada? E-Trade's massive. I used to trade futures with E-Trade. Can you trade future? Can you trade? Oh, it doesn't. Wait. They're not available in Canada? That's crazy. Wow. Dude, I didn't know that. I thought they were available everywhere. I thought they were available everywhere, man. That's nuts. Stockage, are you at Replicanto? Here. E-Trade's not available. They're talking about E-Trade. Here you go. You basically use code COVE20. You save 20% at Flowbots. That's how I use Replicanto. It's on NinjaTrader. Oh, it's fucking cold. Yo, nothing's worse than the beer store and the liquor store. You can only buy beer and liquor from the government. Is that still like that, Allie? If you want to buy beer, you got to go to the beer store. Yeah, I mean, it just saves you 20%. If you use, I can buy beer at 7-Eleven. I remember, though, it was like the beer store. Yo, what up, Corey? So what happened with TradeSync? One of the days was so I do when I buy, I do a stop loss, right? And take profit. So I was maxing out the cons because what happened was I was bracket trading. So there's an order up here and an order down here. So you had a sell down here and a buy up here. So when it clicks this buy, it then produces a sell, but you also have a sell down here. And I was maxing the cons out. And then there was like a domino effect through all the accounts. So that was a big issue I was having with TradeSync. It was like user error in the beginning. So that caused an issue one day. Quant Towers copy trader didn't sell me out of a position. That cost me an account one day. Now what I do is the lead account over on this side, I leave up. So when I get out on Quant Tower, if it's not out over here, I just exit and then it'll exit everything out. You know what I'm saying? All right, dude, let's play some madness real quick. I need 2 more winners. I need 2 more winners. I need at least 2 more winners, actually. Do I have to babysit it? I mean, I watch it because in total I'm in like 50 minis. It's like 50 minis that I'm in. All right. I'll be watching it. I'm watching it right now. Go. See what happens. Yo. Yo, Anderson got it. That was so. Anderson got it. Anderson got it. It was 44. Damn. Yo, Anderson, you got it, dude. I see you just put it in again. Yeah, it was 44. That was fucking quick. I just double checked just to make sure it was it. Mr. Anderson, what's your strategy? How do you have a strategy to this? What was the strategy? Maybe you win one. Dude, the problem is if you type Anderson's strategy, calling the cops. What? Riggage. Oh, nah. You just missed it? Yo, what up, Jackson? Just looking in. Gold dump, please. 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 Dude, this market, I'll be honest with you, we're in a bear flag. I would assume we're going to dump. How am I doing today? Every red account that you see should have been up $450. But I decided to change my stop to a trailing stop and got bottom ticked, lost, and then it went up. I should be up 400. Every red account should be up $450. That's how I'm doing. It's exactly how I'm doing. And you know what? On Friday, all my accounts should have been up $450, but I forgot to put a take profit in. So my TP got hit, but it wasn't in. And then it came all the way back in, and I lost on the trade. So the last 3 days, I have 3 losses, but I should have had 2 wins, 1 loss. Net, I would be up $500 and something. Instead, I'm down $900. So it was a $1,400 swing. True story. Yeah, Knob, you should probably call that a day. Or you can go for a daily payout. So anyways, that's the deal. I'm going to be yo, mark my last name. Cook the Bears. They're eating the dogs. Oh, shit. Yo, just get $65. How hard could that be? Yo, just get one tick, knob. How hard could that be? Bro, my office is blowing the AC hard. That's why I got a hoodie on. They're eating the dogs.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yeah, that's got to be like one of my funniest ones. They're eating the dogs. Yo, I got to ask you guys something. I got to see if I can do this real fast. This is not going to work. Yo, real quick, guys, can somebody test this out? Just tell me if you clicked on this. Don't have to buy anything. Just click on it and tell me if the link works. Tell me if that link works if you click on it. I just want to know if it works. Don't buy anything. Don't have to do anything. I just want to know if it works. Yes, no, maybe. Yes, it's working. Ah, works. Ah, that's all I was wondering. Dude, I wish I had an OnlyFans account. Jeez. Dude, what's my P&L today? Not great, all because of the fucking morning. Yo, tomorrow's going to be fucking bonkers, baby. So tomorrow we have FOMC rate decision. We have earnings from Meta. Dude, what's the earnings? Hold on one second. I'll tell you exactly who it is. They're fucking massive. It's huge. No, stock itch. Maybe ES. Look at this fucking dog shit just coming all the way back. Bro, I can't believe dude spend on that. You have GDP in the morning, FOMC in the afternoon. And then you have, I'll tell you the earnings after hours. Let's see what it is. You have Microsoft, Meta, Qualcomm, Lam Research, and ARM all tomorrow after hours. Woo! I'll tell you what, if Meta and Microsoft earnings both go either up or down, fucking market will rip. All right, let's be real. Who's taking this short? Anyone taking this? I want to take it, but I don't want to be in drawdown for 30 points. You just went schlong. Yo, I passed a Bulenox account this morning. I called this out in the Discord as I did it. What up, Sim Funded? I mean, this would be the bounce spot, right? This is the bounce spot until it's not. Uncle Bear. Yo, you want it to break the trend? I'll buy long right now. I buy long, this breaks the trend and we don't. Yes, Ivan. Yes. You just trade 8 more days. Something like that. I mean, you could tell the balances are getting kind of smaller. If they could bring it up to like 80, maybe 90, I'll go short. Yo, as soon as I go, nah, it's as soon as I go long. If I go long, this is going to dump. If I go short, this is going to go up. Guaranteed. Come on. I mean, it looks like we are best friends in real life. He was a groomsman in my wedding. Literally, I talked to him over an hour every day on the telephone. Yeah, I got him into trading. I'm the reason he trades. Yeah. We are real life best friends. Yeah. In my wedding party, it was my brothers, Jay, and my one friend I grew up with. That was my wedding party. I have 3 brothers. So it's 3 brothers, my friend I grew up with, and Jay. That was it. Bro, you should hear us on the phone when we talk. That shit's hysterical. Because there is no like, like you can't say certain shit on here. Like we were trading together earlier, and it's fucking hysterical. Dude, are they gonna finally fucking dump this? Yeah. Dude, what are we doing here? Dude, I should have done a short of me punching my fucking computer this morning when I did a trail stop instead of just a normal stop, and I missed out on $450 in 12 accounts. Missed out on like $5,000 in funded accounts, all because of Yo, what up, Ace? Come on, what are we doing? Anybody else waiting to short this thing, or is everybody like just watching it? Yo, dude, I don't even know how to say that. Florence? Is Florence in here? Do we have a Florence in the chat? Someone just commented on the video, Florence, first timer. And I was just wondering if they were in the chat. If you are and you don't want to type, it's okay. What's up? In short already? Bro, I'll never do a trailing stop again, BK. Never, ever. Never have I ever. The only thing I'll say is stochastics are coming up hard and we're not going anywhere. I kind of like that. All right, everybody go long. I just went short. Go long, everybody. Runners, bro. Don't even get me started with fucking runners. TJ, it's nice to make your money early. Actually, I'm gonna back test something tonight that I might implement tomorrow. Look at this shit. I told you, you motherfucker. How is your setup ninja with multiple accounts? Dude, I just made a video about this. I'll post the video in here. I just made a video about this over the weekend. Yo, here you go, right here. That's the video. Smash the like button if you like the video. But yeah, that's how I do it two ways. I do it a couple ways, but yeah. Did I backtest the 15 and 30-minute untest wick strategy? What is the untested wick strategy? Most likely not, because I don't exactly know what the untested is. Not to copy them? Wait, would you want to? Hold on. I thought you just said you wanted to copy. How is your setup with Ninja with multiple accounts? Well, it's the same way. You just load them up. Here, you just, all you do is go to connections, configure, and you just add all your prop firms. And then you can trade them one by one or however you want to do it. Yeah, I mean, order entries are easy. You basically just go to new and you can create a chart and you can trade it on the chart. You can do anything you want. I trade on here. I take bounces off the 15 and 30-minute wicks that haven't been tested yet. So for argument, dude, this looks like it's gonna fucking dump. So like if we come down and we go here to this wick, you would buy it? Bro, this looks like it's gonna fucking dump. I'm not even gonna lie. This thing looks like it's gonna just fucking unload. Is it just me? Am I the only person that thinks this? Yo, definitely go long. Yo, that you ain't kidding. Can Replicanto connect direct? It Replicanto only works with NinjaTrader. Replicanto works with NinjaTrader. I like the short. I mean, it looks like it's gonna fucking unload, but who the fuck knows? If we can get under this order block, so like under 67, I would say you're gonna test like these, 450, 440. No, yeah, this is Desktop Ninja. This is Desktop Ninja. Yep. Come on, man. I never used Web Ninja. I only use Desktop Ninja. Desktop Ninja just works for me. I download it. Oh, come on. Honestly, it finally broke. I am worried that when we broke, we broke, but we weren't able to really do anything. I want to see it fucking unload. I want to see it unloading down to at least 50s. You trade your live account on Ninja Mobile? Bro, that's wild. Come on. Bro, I need Trump to fucking tweet something bad right now. I need a fuck you China tweet. China. China.
China. China. Wrong. Stop it.
Come on. Fucking dump. How do I make the chart black? I click up here and you go from dark, you switch dark theme. You guys want to stare at this all day? You guys like staring at that instead? China.
China.
What the fuck? Oh! Come on. Please. 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 I'll take you out tonight. You get all dressed up in those heels, baby. Come on. Come on. Just give it up. Just give it up for me. All the way down. All the way. We're going to the 60s. We're going to 60. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on, baby. Come on, NQ. You bird? Yo, tell your bird to come on the stream. Tell your bird if he wants extra food, he's got to use coupon code CoveTrader. I have never used Tick. Yeah, I never used Tick. Bro, are they not going to fucking just drop this thing? This thing's hanging on by a fucking thread. Oh, baby, come on. Are you not going to give us the fucking little dumpski? Yo. Yeah, FOMC tomorrow is the one that moves the market. The minutes are shit. This one's the REIT decision. Yeah, this one will move the market. Yeah, minutes don't do anything. All the minutes do is just tell you, like, you know, how many times they said this and that. Like, you know, minutes are dick. The rate decision is what's going to move this thing. I am going to get a bunch of $16 Apex accounts and probably gamble them tomorrow on FOMC and earnings tomorrow. Apex 90% off, ends tonight. Coupon code CoveTrader. If you want to play tomorrow, don't buy any. If you're going to buy Apex accounts the rest of this week, you might as well buy them today, because today they're $18. After today, they're going to be $37. So you're literally going to get two for the price of one if you buy today instead of the rest of the week. So I would not buy any Apex. If you're going to buy them this week or next, just buy them tonight. You know, you're just going to save half the money. It's 50% off what you normally spend. Yo, is that like Dumb and Dumber when they gave the kid they sold the kid the dead parrot? Sorry, my friend's a little slow. The town is actually that way. Come on. Oh, yeah. I do not want to see this trade back up to even. You want to see this continue down. This is the break. So you don't want to see this trade all the way back up. This trade's all the way back up. This is me taking profits, but I'm at 74. I do not want to see this come back up. I want to see this roll over here. You want to see this push down here. Come on, turn this candle red. Oh man, this candle goes red, we're flushing. This candle goes red. Yeah, you got to be back testing. If you're not back testing, then you're gambling. If you're not testing out your strategy, you're gambling. 1000%. Dude, I want to see this at 46. Dump it, baby. So now I'm going down to right here because this is the last little bounce high. Like you don't want to be going back over that. You know, these are just areas that you don't want to go, you don't want to go back up to. You know, all of a sudden we go back up here at 73, I would venture we're going to go back higher then. You know, I want to see this unload. Anderson, I would stick to back testing and like forward testing and trading small until you got something that works in your favor a lot. You know, I would say things that have, 60, 70% win rates are where you want to be. And then you can adjust by take profits and things like that. There's some people have 40% win rates, but their R to R is massive. Oh, just keep fucking dropping this thing. Drop it. Go further. Just keep doing it. Keep going down. I'm afraid they're going to bounce it at some point, though, back up to like 73. Keep going. Keep going. Honestly, now that I'm down to my last 5, I probably wouldn't. I'm not going to move this order unless we come down to like here. If we come down here, I'll probably lower my stop. You know, I got out you know, I made a bunch of money. So now let it move around a little bit. Like if it comes down this area, I'll just let it move. Plus, on my other screen, I'm in a mini on a funded account. On my screen over here, I'm in another account with a full mini. In this funded account on this move has made $800. I was down and now I'm up $450 in it. Dude, this has been a great move. Hopefully you guys got it. Dude, if you got it, smash the confetti. Just smash it. If you played this, smash it. Let me know how much money you made. Hopefully you did well. I want this candle to go below. This candle goes below, I'm moving my stop down to 61. Damn, Sean. Too soon, Junior. I've done that, though, plenty of times. I'm like the king of that. See, I just work my stops down. Because at some point, they're going to rip a bounce, and I don't want to get stuck in it. I'm completely out right now. I am completely out. You know what's crazy is I bet you we see 45. I'm just, let me see if I got a, I bet you I mean, listen, I would have liked to see more velocity to the downside. Like we're not getting, you know, see like over here where you got like these bigger candles dropping, like, you know, a 1 minute candle that does 15, 20 points. Like we're just not getting the velocity to the downside here. It's just a kind of like a drift. And that's what I didn't love about it, but it is what it is. Look at that. See, like this looks like now it's going to make its way back up to at least 71. Dude, that was an awesome, awesome trade, by the way. Measured move, 15-minute, huge third leg, PG said. I meant second leg. Made 1K on that short. Still could go lower, but oh well. Hey, man, money's money. Money is money. I'm just looking. Oh, my eyeball. Here comes the... Here comes the... Look. Dude, that was what I was waiting for. Look at this shit. New lows. Give me new lows. Look at this shit. Boom, baby. Got paid. Dude. Dude, I'm not playing MOC. I'm going to look to play this back up to the upside. That's what I'm going to look for. I'm going to watch this. Just, I'll be honest with you, we hit. This is what I was targeting. We fucking got it. See, now we finally got the fucking dump. I just had to hold. Just had to hold. Look at it. Just had to hold. Dude, that was crazy. Dude. Yo, there you go, Fred. Bro, nah, I just had to hold. I got a problem. There you go, Mystic Rick. Dude, you're going to need to fucking make a couple more of those types of trades. I don't know, Ray. It's going to be interesting. It's all a scam. What up, Lee? Now I'm liking this. Dude, I can't believe this shit. Took it off way too soon. Way too fucking soon I took my shit off. Although I made a lot of money. I don't know. I wouldn't have held there. I was really targeting here. You know, I thought if we hit here or this imbalance right here, like I wouldn't have been holding now. I mean, if you took this bear flag break to the downside, you would have gotten paid. MOC in 10 minutes? Dude, do we bring this all the way back up? We basically swept the lows. Third leg is just too girthy. I think we're going to take out. Oh, shit. I got to open up the front door for my kids. Fuck. Hold on. I'll be right back. I got to open up the front door for my kids. I'm back. Oh, they didn't take me out? Oh, shit. Dude. Bro, they didn't take me out a half? That's fucked. Bro. They couldn't do halfsies? I will add if they can break over that. Yo, what up, Red? Dude, if they can't get this over, come on. Give me a fucking push, baby. Come on. 446. Get me out of a third. Get me out of a third. A third. That's all I'm asking for. A fucking third, brother. A third. Come on. I just need a wick up. Are you not going to fucking do this? Come on, it's go time. Oh, you're going to fucking do me so dirty right now. You little dirty fucking NQ. You little dirty. Come on. Fucking do it. Do it. Come on. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Show it to me. Only because it's the end of the day. I'm at break even. I'm at break even because I don't want to get fucking. Yo, I'm taking now. It doesn't matter to me. Yo, tell me who fucking got that bottom. What do we get? 95, 150, and I'm riding this. Catch me riding dirty. Yo. Well, I turned this this was red. I turned this from red to green. I saved this account. Only because MOC is coming, I'm moving my stops up. MOC's in 5 minutes, and I don't want to get caught. I don't want to get caught for, you know, I don't want to get nothing out of these last little bits because MOC wicks me out. But if you want to know how I find bottoms, if you want to know how I find bottoms, I made a video about it. I'm curious if they push it higher. I'm letting this one move around a little bit. Yo. So funny. My wife hears me on this after I jump off. She's like, what the fuck were you talking about? I was thinking I should get out, to be honest with you, because we were at the 34. But I want to see if we push over and start making our way back up here. You know, now I'm just moving up. MOC is in less than 3 minutes. And MOC is in less than 3 minutes, and I don't want to get caught. I want to profit out of this. So yo, if you came on the stream, man, there's some really good fucking trades that the afternoon stream. We caught the downside and then the upside. If they can push this, I'm going to get stopped out, though. I know I'm going to get stopped. Whatever. Dude, that was a good trade. Yo, that was a really good trade. Yeah, I know, to put under 50 and whatnot. I know. Listen, I honestly wanted to get out before 450, to Alex. Because with MOC, if it goes too fast, I'll get a really bad fill. Like if it dumps 10 points real quick. Yeah, I know the I kind of wanted to get out regardless. Because if it flashes down, instead of getting filled at like 450, they'll fill me at like 445 and I'll lose $50 in. Yeah, and it was copy trading 5 or 6 accounts, so I don't want to get fucked. So that was the deal. I've been making back freaking losses all day because of an issue this morning, but just keep pushing forward. We are going to after MOC, I know people are playing MOC. We're going to do the numbers at 352. Number chaos at 352. Yeah, see, I would have gotten stopped out there anyways. They brought it down to 48.50. So I would have gotten hosed either way. Yeah, that's how it works, Alex. Yeah, MOC has been low volume. I've stopped playing it because of that. I stopped playing because of the low volume. All right, you guys ready? Ready to play the number game? Number chaos? You guys ready? 1, 2, let it fucking rip. I'm watching the chat too. Bro, this game is so crazy because I see people that are like right there. Yo, it's 50 to 100. It's between 50 and 100. Yo, 75 to 100. 75 to 100. Yo, it's in the 90s. It's in the 90s. It's in the 90s. Somebody just put. Yo, Alex got it. Let me see if you were the first person, Alex. There's 93. Alex is the first person. Dude, what's crazy is right after you did it, I saw somebody else do 93. Oh, Marie did 93 right after you. Yo, we're going to have one more winner. We'll do it right after 4 o'clock. Dude, I decided I'm going to throw in, you know what I'm going to do? We'll also do, dude, I miss doing this. We'll throw in the winner of the scam duck race in there too. Scam duck race person. We'll do the duck race. So just join. Winner of that goes into the winner's pot. Oh, we're doing the ducks, Ted. Too many scammers. But I think they left. I think the scammers have left. How's that sound? Yo, that dude, you know what's crazy, DW, is I love watching it because I'm like, yo, that person was one number off. One number. Yo, It's so crazy. I'm like, oh no, they just missed it. They just missed it. I love that shit. I love watching it. That's what makes it good on my end, is watching the Ducks. Numbers get grayed out after you put some in. I'm just curious, how many numbers you got to hit before it grays you out? What's the number that you got to hit before it's grayed out? Five? Bro, you just got to cool down. Just got to cool down. How hard is it to cool down? Yeah, it's true. Everyone's got the same thing. So it is what it is. Dude, I'm so glad I fucking got some of these accounts back to a manageable level. You know, I got this pro account only down 200. Fucking crazy. All right, let's see what we do here. What up? Oh, let's see what we get right here. What do we got? Yo, he might be on a time delay, Sean. Not everybody, people don't realize that they're not live, that they're actually delayed on the platform. They hit a button and they're like 10 minutes behind. Yo, it happens to people every day. They think they're live, but they're not. Mr. Anderson. Boom. Dude, this actually doesn't look terrible here. Oh, don't fucking... Why are you doing that? Come down. I don't love this. I liked it when we were right here. I'm not fucking playing that. Yo, Jaden. So I back tested the you know when people lose their money is when you're trading from like 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. The true after hours. I would say actually not 6 o'clock. I would say 6:05 till 8 o'clock is when people lose a ton of money. I don't get why people trade during that time. That's like the worst time to trade. You should just wait until Asia opens at 8. If you're trading during that 6 to 8 o'clock time, that's like the worst time ever to trade at. There's probably some type of stat. Oh. Yeah, PM. Like people trading like the open at 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. All it is algos. Yeah, it's just algos going back and forth from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. It's after hours. Unless there's news or earnings, I would not be trading during that time. Yo, definitely less expensive, patient. There's just not there's just not enough volume. You need a tweet, you need earnings, you need news. Otherwise, you're just playing fucking algos. Like even right now, like I would play the drift because I would say 4 o'clock to 4:05, there's at least some volume. And then as this goes on, less and less volume is in the market. There's no reason to do it. Yeah, there's spreads. It's just such a bad time to trade. If you're in here listening, I would not trade until at least 8 p.m. Eastern time. It's just not worth it. There's spreads. It doesn't move that much. There's a ton of fake outs. Like, let's see what yesterday looked like, right? This is what you're trading. You're trading 2.1 minute candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in a row. You have 7 minutes in a 3-point range. And mind you, there's probably at least at least 1 point spread. So you were trading within 2 points for 7 minutes. And then you went up about 10 points. And then you literally just traded in a basically like a 7-point range for, I don't know, over an hour. Yeah, like think about it. Like you traded a 7-point range for almost 2 hours. Who's making any money in that? 7-point range for 2 hours? Get the fuck out of here. Just not trade, man. Just wait. And then look, you open, and then once you open here, you at least move around a little bit. It's not much, but at least you got some type of moves. This is shit. I'm just telling you, you're gonna lose money. Yeah, you're gonna lose money by trading it during that time. I would wait till 8 o'clock p.m. or just wait till New York opens. I don't even know that you could scalp it. You traded in a 2-point range for 10 minutes, and then you traded in a 7-point range for over an hour. I don't know. Just not worth it to me. All right, let's do the number game one more time because I need another winner. I need one more winner. You ready? Set. Go. Let's see. Oh, somebody was one off. Somebody was one off already. Dude, that always happens almost instantly. Yo, it's between 1 and 50. It's between 10 and 40. Yo, Marie just got it. Marie just got it. 28. Right? I think Marie was the first person. Oh, hold on. Yep. I got to go to 40. I think Marie was it. Oh, it was Brushan and then Marie. It was Brushan and Marie. Brushan passed his other one. Yeah. It's up to Brushan. All right, so Marie moves in. All right. Last call for the last call for this. We'll call it the scam duck race. Last call for scam duck race. I miss just having the duck races as normal. It's so funny though, because ever since we started doing this, I do not see a lot of the names that I suspected to be scam, like the ones that I thought were spam. I don't see them anymore. I don't see the spam people anymore. It's so interesting. You know what happens, Mystic Rick? I open up for 20 seconds, and then somebody I know, like Marie, is like, oh, I just missed it. So then I got to open it up again. Trying to keep the scammers out. This is like a full job trying to keep scammers out, by the way. I feel like I should just let it go. I feel like I should just manually get them out. I have a list. Yeah, I might do that, Ian. Just filter it out of all the people that are suspected to be scammers. Yeah. I put way too much time into this than I should have, Marie. And I have a little list of people that I think are scammers in the duck race, because I can tell they come on, they add it, they like rotate accounts and they all get entered, and they only are on the chat during duck race when it opens. It's almost like they have a script. Yeah, some of these people have been around for a while though, Ron. I think I'm going to go back to giving it a try tomorrow as the other way, and I'm going to see if I can do it manually. Bro, it's so crazy. The amount of effort people put in to get more entries for a free account, but not back test or forward test strategies or use different indicators. They're so like, I want a free account, but won't put time and effort into like learning more of the market, is absurd. It's literally the craziest thing. Yeah, it's just an account to blow. They don't. It's just so wild to me. All right. What's up, Hannah? I'll be honest with you, Waldo. Sometimes you just wait all day to make one trade. Later, DW. Sometimes you wait all day to make that one trade. Yo, Sean, look, if you're like, this is why I don't drift to the upside. Look, you would have gotten got. You would have gotten got. I'm going to buy some Apex accounts for tomorrow. Oh, that's Matt Rad on his wife's laptop. What up, Matt? Yeah, I'm going to watch it, Dr. T. I'm going to watch it at my house. I got to watch that in Superman. I'll be honest with you, the afternoon session was great. We caught the short here, and then we caught the long. We literally caught fucking great trades on the way out today. look, this is from the stream. Caught it long, caught it short, and then we got the bottom and caught it long. You don't need much more than that. Yo, Ian, dude, you love the downside, my dude. We're gonna run these ducks. For anybody that's new, you want to join the duck race, got to subscribe to the channel. We stream live twice, once at 10:30, once again at like 2:15. There's a link to our free Discord in the description of this video. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader or go to that link and you have all the prop firm discounts for the week. Plus, there's a free futures course on that link as well. Feel free to get it. If you have questions, you can ask me. I answer everyone's questions. We're going to run the ducks for the people that got in at the end here. Yo, I could tell the scammers are gone. How's that sound? Dude, you could tell the scammers are gone. Watch. You ready for this? Dude, did I fucking get rid of them? Yo, we might be back. Look, there's only 35 people that signed up for the duck race. Yeah, Rick. Yo, I think I got rid of them. Shit addicts. What's up, man? Yo, it's Mr. Anderson. Yo, that was some premature frontulation. Oh, shit. All right. Now I'm going to take the winners of everything. The winners will play everything. Yo, this is Marie. I don't know why they did this to your name. That's Marie, by the way. I don't know why they did that. Oh, Marie! The good news is everybody won. Everyone gets an Apex account. Everybody that won the number game or ducks today gets an Apex account. So TJ, Spider, Mr. Anderson, and Marie. But here's the rules. This is the rules, and I don't want to hear it. Ready? You gotta get it has to be done today because it's fucking 90% off. This isn't a tomorrow thing. So you gotta email me right now and handle it. Otherwise you're out. Everybody that won today. Spider, you're banned from fucking Apex? Dude, how the fuck did that happen? You want a Bulenox account, Spider? I think they're 91% off. Yo, Chris Bova slamming it. Nice, man. Rigged. Yo, I want to hear some of these banned from Apex stories. Yeah, Design Knob did win. It's Design Knob. I'll tell you who it is. It's Design Knob, TJ, Spider, Anderson, and Marie. If I didn't say his name, my bad. But yeah, he won. So if you are TJ, Spider, Anderson, Marie, or Design Knob, you got to email me like fucking today, not tomorrow. Otherwise, you will lose it. It's the rules. The high table of the Cove stream has spoken. You know what else I noticed? You want to hear something else? The numbers on the stream don't drop dramatically when all those scammers are here. Because the numbers spike and then the numbers drop because they come in and leave. Extraordinary Cave Trader. You got to first subscribe to the channel. And then when I open it up during the stream, you got to be on. It opens up multiple times through the stream. What do I email you? Besides feet pictures, just say what's up. You're all getting emails right back because I'm handling this fucking ASAP. Bro, dude, I got a bunch of gay friends. I live in New York, man. Waldo, I got friends of all types. I got friends that have arranged marriages over here. I got all types of friends. I got friends from all walks of lives over by me, man. So I got a crazy story. I had a best friend in college. And religion wasn't even a thing to me. I knew him for 3.5 years and didn't even realize he was Jewish. It doesn't even matter to me. And then all of a sudden, he was going to do some celebration thing. And I was like, what's that? And then he told me, but his last name was Levinson. I guess now I probably should have known, but wasn't even on my radar. Yo, later, Matt. I do 50Ks, man. I like more of a drawdown. I wouldn't do anything above that, though. I'm missing an email from Marie. I'm missing a Marie email, and I'm missing a Spider email. Oh, Spider just came through. Yo. I'm just thinking. All right. I just need a Marie email. Marie sent one. Why do I not see Marie's email? That's the email address. I don't know. I didn't get it. Do you want me to email you? Let me see if I have your email address. Hold on one second. Marie, tell me if you just got my email. Let me know if you got my email. Yes, you could do that, Chris. And how long till you get paid? Well, you got to pass. You got to get over 53,000, and then you go to fund it, and then you got to get to $52,600 and take out money. Dude. Did you get mine though, Marie? Yo, football starts on Thursday, I think. Oh, I got your email. It went to my special folder. Oh, man. That's a lot of $200 days. It's a lot of money also when you pull out. Slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. You're making $1,000 a day. It's worth it once you get funded. Oh, man. Always. You shouldn't wait on winners' emails. You should get email from description. Scammers can if winning. A lot of the people, I have their emails already just from previous stuff. Like I have Marie's email. I've had people do that where they'll email me as Marie and be like, hey, I just won. Yeah, no. There's so much scamming that goes on. You have no idea. No, I usually filter it out. Yo, later, Chris. I usually filter it out. Visa's down after earnings. Visa had earnings after hours. All right, I'm going to jump off. Just remember, Apex 90% off ends at midnight. So if you're looking to get an Apex account at any time within the next week or so, today's the day you should do it. 90% off. Other than that, I will see you guys in the Discord tonight, or I'll see you on the stream tomorrow. Okay? Peace.